Let's learn about area and volume. Area, first of all, you have all the way area and volume are there in the formula book. So area of a rectangle, if you have a rectangle, this is length and this is width or breadth. So area is equal to length times width or breadth, and the perimeter will be 2 times L plus B. Okay, and then you have the square, where if this is the side, area is equal to a square and perimeter equal to 4a. Then you have the triangle. So if I have a normal triangle and this side is base and this is the height, area is equal to half BH. And you have a parallelogram. This is the base and this is the height. Area is equal to base times height. Okay. Then you have the circle. This is the radius. Area is equal to pi r square. And you have the circumference, which is equal to 2 pi r. Now in relation to this, if you have a sector, okay, so this is the arc, okay, sector arc, and if this is angle is theta and this is the radius, area is equal to the same pi r square. It will work with pi r square only, but you have to do theta over 360 times pi r square, and length of an arc, which is marked by this red line, length of an arc, it is called length of an arc, is equal to theta over 360 times 2 pi r. Okay. Now moving on to volume of a rectangular solid, which has base, height, and width. So L times B times H, and surface area is equal to 2LB plus 2LH plus 2BH. So you find the area of each cycle and multiply it by 2, each side, and then multiply by 2. Okay. Second thing is cylinder. Suppose if you have a cylinder like this, and this is the height of the cylinder, this is the radius of the cylinder, volume will be equal to pi r square h. Okay, it's there in the formula table. I was just showing the sides and how to find the measurements. Okay, and then the total surface area will be equal to 2 pi r into h plus r. Okay. The third one is sphere. So if you have a sphere of radius r, volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, and surface area is equal to 4 pi r square. Okay. Now with hemisphere, which is half of a sphere, it goes like this, and the radius is r. Volume is equal to 2 over 3 pi r cube, and surface area is equal to 3 pi r square. Okay. Now this another one is cone. Okay, it's a cone. Cone. This is the height. This is the length, and this is the radius. So if you see that this is a right angle triangle, so in case if one measurement is missing, you can use the Pythagoras theorem to find the other side. So volume of the cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, and the curved surface area, okay, so there's a curved surface area here. Curved surface area will be pi r l, and the total surface area will be pi r l plus pi r square. Okay. Now there are two concepts which you need to remember about the volume. So if a solid object is melted down and recast as another solid object, the volume will remain the same. So if they ask the question about that, you have to find the volume of one object and find the volume of the other object, equate it and find the values which is missing. The second one is the displaced liquid due to immersion. The volume of the displaced liquid will be equal to the volume of the immersed object. So if the question is saying that there's a spherical ball which is immersed in water and find the volume of the dispersed liquid, you have to find the volume of the sphere and then you can find the volume of the dispersed liquid.